Gotta cut it fast. I'ma grow like a bomb. M80 in a pond. I'ma blow. Need a break with a shovel and a plate for the dough. When I'm in the dark, I don't need a spark. I'ma glow. Keep it hot with a cider in a park in the snow. Keep it cool with some ladies in the pool on a boat. Gonna rage when we switching all these lanes on the road. I'ma let you know. I'ma let you know. People gather around for the light and the blessing. Everybody's smiling like they're trying to get to heaven. But the lightning rolls in and the thunder roars. The devil's gonna get what he's
all ready to go for our amazing dinner. And the birthday boy is over here already. Look at him, he looks so handsome.
We are set to go for my birthday dinner.
We are matching our jeans today, white. So the place where we are going is a Japanese hibachi restaurant, and you can sit in the chef's table, and then they cook in front of you, and that is how the entire theme is. So we'll definitely show you all the clips of that place, but for now let's just go. Come on out, Babu. Marvel, mommy and daddy are going, and we'll be back in some time. Okay, we are going out for dinner. Bye bye. You can have fun in the house like a good boy. Anyways, so let's go.
I'm gonna fake like I'm miserable. I don't need things, I'm so minimal. I just keep taking my minerals. You like how I'm dropping these syllables? Spreading the butter on dinner rolls. I'm so good, it's unbelievable. And what I just said's inconceivable. People gather around for the light and the blessing. Everybody's smiling like they're trying to get to heaven. But the lightning rolls in and the thunder roars. The devil's gonna get what he's coming for. People gather around for the light and the blessing. Everybody's smiling like they're trying to get to heaven. But the lightning rolls in and the thunder roars. The devil's gonna get what he's coming for.
We're waiting here for us to get the table because we didn't make a reservation. We just did a walk-in.
Yes.
And it's full and it smells delicious. So we are excited. And we got a table. Okay people, we have placed the appetizer order, and the main course is gonna be cooked right in front of us.
Yeah.
I don't know if we have already told you, we are in the Hokkaido Hibachi restaurant, and this place is amazing.
It's back to full.
Yes, and I haven't even tasted the food, but the vibes are very good.
It smells so good already.
Yes, so can't wait to show you guys everything. Okay guys, that is crunchy tuna roll, and it looks delicious. Look at that.
It's good.
Yeah. Look. Yeah. Like the grass, gotta cut it fast. I'ma grow like a bomb. M80 in a pond. I'ma blow. Need a break with a shovel and a plate for the dough. When I'm in the dark, I don't need a spark. I'ma glow. Keep it hot with a cider in a park in the snow. Keep it cool with some ladies in the pool on a boat. Gonna rage when we switching all these lanes on the road. I'ma let you know. I'ma let you know. People gather around for the light and the blessing. Everybody's smiling like they're trying to get to heaven. But the lightning rolls in and the thunder roars. The devil's gonna get what he's coming for. People gather around for the light and the blessing. Everybody's smiling like they're trying to get to heaven. But the lightning rolls in and the thunder roars. The devil's gonna get what he's coming for.
Come out from under your blanket and take a seat at the banquet. Where we all gonna go, John, sweet dessert. Let us skin it on the radio, playing Free Bird 666 times around the world. Stop it on the dime when your hair don't curl. Ready for nothing, blueberry muffin. Who made you the boss? I bet it wasn't because wasn't barber sauce.
I'm looking for tropical dinner, man. I'm looking for coffee with cinema. I'm looking for money to put in my checking the account with no minimum. Got a debut at the cinema. You should get tickets, it's critical. Looking this good should be criminal. They gotta been doing these enemas. Mix it with water and vinegar. I'm gonna fake like I'm miserable. I don't need things, I'm so minimal. I just keep taking my minerals. You like how I'm dropping these syllables? Spreading the butter on dinner rolls. I'm so good, it's unbelievable. And what I just said's inconceivable.
People gather around for the light and the blessing. Everybody's smiling like they're trying to get to heaven. But the lightning rolls in and the thunder roars. The devil's gonna get what he's coming for. People gather around for the light and the blessing. Everybody's smiling like they're trying to get to heaven. But the lightning rolls in and the thunder roars. The devil's gonna get what he's coming for. Gonna get what he's coming for.
Okay guys, we are done eating our food. We have packed our leftovers. It is raining right now, so I'll have to shut down the camera, run over there, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this very new experience restaurant along with us. And if you have any kind of hibachi restaurant near you, definitely worth trying. The food was delicious and it's a very new experience. So let's run to the car.
Cider in a park, in the snow. Keep it cool with some ladies in the pool. On a boat, gonna rage when we switching all these lanes on the road. I'ma let you know, I'ma let you know.
People gather around for the light and the blessing. Everybody's smiling like they're trying to get to heaven.
Okay guys, finally we are home, and Tanya is just finishing up some work, laundry related. She's just keeping up all the stuff in there, and Marvel is sitting over here. You can't even see him, see? So anyways, we are home. I had so much fun. Thanks to Tanya for taking out for such an amazing birthday dinner. Once again, if you have an opportunity, go try out hibachi restaurants. It was seriously very good. And now I am having a little dessert for myself. So you guys know I have a cheesecake, whole cheesecake. And you know what, Tanya, I actually forgot about the cheesecake. So she already brushed her teeth. Guess what? Are you gonna have some though?
I don't think so.
Are you sure? Like 2 or 3 bites maybe?
Let's see. Once I'm done with it.
Well, I'm pretty sure she's gonna have like 2-3 bites. After such a good meal, you gotta have some dessert. But anyways, that's it for the birthday vlog. Had super duper fun. Stay tuned for more vlogs, more fun things to come around as this year comes to an end. And do let us know if you have ever tried hibachi restaurants. Let us know in the comment, or if you have any other experienced restaurants recommendations, definitely let us know. So we're gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye.